Are you guys sick of the cleaning videos yet? Okay, so we're on day 5. And we're gonna clean all the baseboards. I'm just sitting because honestly, I just wanna sit for a second. So to do that, we are gonna use the dusting wand. And actually, I think it's called the Enviro wand. I'm probably still saying it wrong, sorry. For me, it's just, it's the dusting wand. It's dirty, it's disgusting. I need to give it a wash, but it is not spa day for my microfiber yet. We're getting there. That day's coming soon. Okay. But we're gonna take this bad boy and we're gonna go along all the baseboards. And we're gonna give them a good cleaning. Okay? Okay. Alright, so all the baseboards are done. I didn't show you guys in the bedrooms and stuff like that. But for those who are wondering how much you can get off your baseboards, yeah. So I gotta grab my, oh, it's up there. Gotta grab my rubber wand, is that what it's called? And give this a clean. Okay, okay, let's do that, let's do that. Okay, we're outside. Still got my rubber brush. We're just gonna get rid of all that. All right, good and clean. So hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget to get yours good and clean. And I'll talk to you again really soon. Bye.